You don't need a $20,000 credit card limit. If you don't have $20,000, why are you so obsessed with trying to increase your credit limit? This is a very good question in some ways. First off, you don't know how much money people have, but more importantly, this is about credit scores and how they are calculated. And there is a reason as to why you might want to increase your credit limit, provided that you are disciplined with paying off your card and how much you are spending, because increasing your limit every year or so can actually increase your score. It is actually a hack that I've been using for years now. Your credit score is based on several factors: 35% payment history, 30% is amount owed. This is the part that we're going to talk about today. How long have you had your credit history, aka your credit card? That's 15%. New credit, when you apply for a new loan or a new credit card or a new car, that is going to ding your credit score. And then credit mix, student loans, what are the diversity of your credit? These are the factors that determine your credit score. But when you zoom in on the amount owed, that is really the amount of your credit usage. What is the percent that you are using versus the limit that you have? And you can see that definition here on FICO's site itself. So for example, if I only spend $1,000 and I'm paying it off and my limit is $10,000, that is 10%. But if I am still spending the same amount of money and I increase it to $20,000, then now that limit drops to 5. I'm still paying off my bills on time. All I did was ask for a bigger limit, and now my credit utilization looks even better because I went from using 10% of my credit to just 5%, and that helps me out. If I'm ready to buy a new house or something like that, then when I apply for a loan, then my credit score is going to qualify me for a much lower rate, which means I am going to pay lower interest in the future. That is why people are asking for higher limits. But notice here, I did not increase my spending in this scenario. That is the responsible piece that you should be using if you are asking for a higher limit. I also said I'm paying off the balance in full. Don't carry a balance. That is not going to be something that's going to increase your score. Nowhere here does it say to carry a balance and pay interest. That don't help you. I don't know who told y'all that. That ain't nowhere here, okay? And if you read carefully, it is the percentage that you are using, okay? The percentage. And generally, you want to keep this percentage between 20 and 30%. Obviously, the lower, the better. If you like this video and want to see your money more clearly, go to buildingbread.com/news.